Right, hi guys, I've got two of the cash bolts to do. So we got 31 and 32. So let's jump straight in. Right, see what our doubles are. So we got gem. So we got gem, apple, sunglasses. Gem, apple, sunglasses. No. Oh, and a chest. So it's chest, gem, apple, sunglasses. So those are our doubles for this one. Right, so we got a VIP and palm, and then we've got star and a sun. Nice we have one. Did get a nice one on this a while ago, so it's been a little while since then. Got a rainbow and I got bar. A lemon and a diamond. 7 and a glitter ball. And then we got a wood and a cactus. And then we got a apple and a gem, so that is a double. Okay, wrong one then. And then we got a pound and a cloud. And then we got a save and a stack. So unfortunately, no good. So looking for the fingers. I mean, I have had it before when nothing got there and then I had £20 down there. So it can happen. Nearly ready, Bubba. Cat wants me to take her out in the garden because she's got to be super full. So she's sulking at the moment because I said I have to do this first. She wants to get it done. Right, we got a double, and then we got a moon and a crystal. A dash and a wub or a mustache. Double. And that, so we got another double there. Then we got a pound sign and a save. A crown and a money bag. I do usually buy a few, but I only bought 2. The last 2 are globe and a star. So again, I think the top. Can we find the fingers? I don't think I'm going to. No. So unfortunately nothing on the cash box either. Oh dear. Never mind. We shall play them again. I do like the cash box. They're one of my favourites. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Cheers, guys.